Did you know there's a tiny food so small it fits into a single tablespoon, yet powerful enough to improve your energy, your digestion, and even the health of your heart? You might think I'm talking about some modern superfood, the kind you only find in specialty stores at outrageous prices. But no, today I want to talk to you about something much simpler, much more accessible, and used for centuries: chia seeds. Stay with me until the end, because we're going to explore the real benefits of chia according to science, how to consume it safely, and which risks almost nobody talks about. I promise that after this video, you'll look at those tiny seeds in a completely different way. A little history to begin with: chia seeds come from the plant Salvia hispanica, native to Mexico. And here's a fun fact. In the Mayan language, the word chia literally means strength. Aztec and Mayan warriors consumed chia before going into battle because they knew it gave them energy, endurance, and focus. It was part of rituals, religious offerings, and also used as a natural remedy for digestive issues and infections. Interesting, isn't it? What was considered sacred food in ancient times is now being confirmed by modern science. And that's the fascinating part: how ancestral wisdom and today's medical research meet in something as simple as a seed. What nutrients does chia provide? Just 1 tablespoon of chia, weighing only about ½ an ounce, is loaded with high-quality protein, plant-based omega-3s, alpha-linolenic acid, lots of soluble and insoluble fiber, essential minerals like calcium, magnesium, manganese, and phosphorus. And here's the best part: you don't need huge amounts to feel the benefits. Just 2 tablespoons a day can cover a significant portion of your daily needs for fiber and calcium. See? Sometimes the most powerful things really do come in small packages. Benefit 1: blood sugar control. Here's where it gets interesting. Chia is incredibly high in soluble fiber, which forms a gel when it mixes with water. That gel acts like a natural filter in your gut. The result? Sugar from your food enters your bloodstream more slowly, without sharp spikes. This is especially useful for people with type 2 diabetes or insulin resistance. Several studies have shown that eating chia regularly improves insulin sensitivity and lowers both blood sugar and hemoglobin A1C, the marker that shows how your blood sugar has been over the last few months. But the benefit goes beyond people with diabetes. Even if you eat white bread, rice, or other high glycemic carbs, adding chia can help reduce those sugar spikes that leave you tired and craving more food later. Benefit 2: cholesterol regulation. Chia is a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids, which protect your heart by lowering inflammation, reducing blood pressure, and balancing blood fats. But it doesn't stop there. Chia's soluble fiber also traps some cholesterol in your digestive tract and helps eliminate it naturally. This forces your liver to pull cholesterol from your arteries in order to keep working. The consequence? Lower bad cholesterol, LDL, and higher good cholesterol, HDL. One study showed that consuming chia for 12 weeks significantly reduced total cholesterol and triglycerides, while increasing protective HDL. If you care about your heart health, chia is a simple and natural ally. Benefit 3: stronger bones. 2 tablespoons of chia give you 18% of your daily calcium needs, 30% of your magnesium, 27% of your phosphorus. All of these are essential for strong bones and preventing osteoporosis, especially in women after menopause. On top of that, chia's protein helps your body produce collagen, the structural framework that supports bones, teeth, and joints. So yes, these tiny seeds are also a natural insurance policy for your skeletal system. Benefit 4: digestive health. Chia is a fiber powerhouse, and that means 2 things. It feeds your good gut bacteria, works as a prebiotic. It improves bowel movements, preventing constipation. When your gut bacteria feed on chia's fiber, they produce short-chain fatty acids, the preferred fuel for your colon cells. This strengthens your intestinal barrier and reduces inflammation. In simple words, chia helps your digestion flow better and keeps your gut protected. Benefit 5. Weight management. Want to feel fuller for longer? Chia is perfect for that. When it meets liquid, it expands and forms a gel that fills your stomach, giving you a sense of fullness. That means fewer cravings and less overeating. And because it improves insulin sensitivity, your body uses glucose more efficiently for energy instead of storing it as fat. Several studies show that regular chia consumption can reduce belly fat, waist size, and overall body weight. Benefit 6. Anti-inflammatory power. We live in a world where the modern diet is full of refined seed oils, processed foods, and too much omega-6. This leads to chronic inflammation. Chia, packed with omega-3s, helps balance that ratio, lowering inflammation and protecting against cardiovascular disease, obesity, and diabetes. And here's another advantage. Unlike flax seeds, chia doesn't need to be ground up for your body to absorb its nutrients. You can just eat it as it is. How to add chia to your daily routine. All right, now let's get practical. Because knowing it's healthy is great, but we also need simple ways to use it every day. Soaked in water or plant-based milk. Mix 2 tablespoons of chia with a glass of water, almond milk, or coconut milk. Let it sit for 15 minutes and you'll have a nutritious gel. Pro tip: add a sprinkle of Ceylon cinnamon to boost your metabolism. Sprinkled on salads or stews, adds texture, nutrients, and a mild crunch. Blend it into smoothies or green juices, perfect for extra fiber and protein. As a natural thickener, add to soups, sauces, or stews. It absorbs liquid and creates a creamy texture. In herbal teas, prepare your favorite tea, add a tablespoon of chia, let it steep, and enjoy a soothing drink packed with fiber and minerals. Precautions and risks. Now, chia isn't for absolutely everyone. Let's go over who should be careful. People with swallowing difficulties, dry chia can expand and cause discomfort. Always soak it first. Allergies: if you're allergic to seeds like flax or mustard, you could react to chia too. Too much fiber: if you're not used to it, you might experience bloating or gas. Start small and increase gradually. Medication interactions: since chia lowers blood pressure and blood sugar, it can interact with medication for hypertension or diabetes. Always check with your doctor if you're on these treatments. Remember, just because it's natural doesn't mean it can't have powerful effects. Chia seeds are an ancient food that modern science is rediscovering. They help control blood sugar, cholesterol, digestion, bone strength, and even weight. But like any powerful food, they should be consumed with knowledge and balance. So I invite you to try them out, add them slowly into your diet, and notice the changes in your energy, digestion, and overall well-being. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe so you don't miss the next natural health tip. And now tell me in the comments, do you already eat chia? How do you prefer it? Soaked in water, blended into a smoothie, or sprinkled over your salads? See you in the next video. Take care and stay healthy.